yeah, be confident when other people keep tearing you down. And the real girls on Instagram, go follow me. No, I'm the queen of this because I be getting hate comments all day. Cringe AF, burn it. And guess who couldn't care less? Me. And why? I mean, if you told me the sky is pink, I would say no. So if you told me I'm ugly or I'm unworthy, what am I going to say? Like, you're wrong. When people try to tear you down, well, they can't unless you tear yourself down. It is a fact that you are beautiful, that you are worthy. So if someone tries to tear you down, incorrect. Beat, try again. So pretty much you can't be torn down unless you start telling yourself, the sky is pink. No, it's not. You are beautiful. Love you. Hope this helps. Woo!